Generative AI is not limited to large language models, data sets, and machine learning operations anymore. It has surely and truly crept into our everyday life. Samsung has released this Ultra S24 Galaxy phone, which is now available to pre-order at least here in Australia when I am speaking. And a lot of telecom companies are offering it. For instance, I got an offer from one of the telecom company Telstra to get it for around under 1000 Australian dollar, and I think same is available from other telcos too. But anyway, one of the highlight of this new phone is that it is AI powered or AI enabled. There is something called as Galaxy AI, which is being marketed by Samsung a lot these days here in Australia, and as far as I can see, it is also in vogue in US at the moment. So I believe that this is what the future is, and lot mobile phone operators are going or makers are going to offer these AI rich features very soon. This phone, I'm very impressed by it, to be honest. This phone has almost everything. Galaxy S24 Ultra has more features than any other phone I have ever tried. And it's not that they have just increased the size or increased the resolution, but they have really worked very closely with Google to bring some of the best pixel features to this premium Ultra line, including 7 years of Android updates. Now, as I mentioned, that they have this great new AI software from Google Pixel. They have also made it as feature rich as possible. But I'm not going to go into the phone related details here. I just want to focus this video on Galaxy AI features of this phone. So, as it's no surprise that the big software features on the Galaxy are all about AI. So, this AI starts from, I would say, this epic feature which is called as live translate. So Galaxy AI has introduced meaningful intelligence aimed at enhancing every part of life, especially the phone's most fundamental role, communication. When you need to communicate with people who speak different language, or for example if you want to talk to someone from overseas, whether it is family, friend, or even business related, it's very hard to speak through an human interpreter when you're on the phone. This is where this generative AI can be a boon and blessing. So with the help of this live translate or interpreter, you can have a live interpreter with the help of this Galaxy AI feature in Galaxy S24. So for example, if you're speaking in English, and it will translate it automatically to someone who speaks Hindi, Urdu, Chinese, or whatever. And then not only it will interpret it, it will also translate it. So that is amazing. Then for example, if you are using any chat related or instant messaging related app, then it can also assist you with the help of this Gen AI feature Chat Assist to have perfect and really ideal conversational tones to ensure communication sound as it was intended. For example, if you want to send a professional message, it will keep it like that. Or if you want to send a romantic message to a date, it will alter that message accordingly as per your wish. So AI is built into this phone's keyboard, and that is why it is able to translate messages, emails more in real time in 13 languages. There is also a great AI feature called as Note Assist, featuring AI generated summaries, template creations that streamlines notes with pre-made formats, and cover creation to make notes easy to spot with a brief preview. For voice recordings, even when there are multiple speakers, there is another feature called as Transcript Assist that uses AI and speech to text technology or LLMs at the backend to help transcribe, summarize, and even translate recording into selected languages. Just imagine. And then, of course, they have taken the search to another level. As I mentioned earlier, they have inherited or taken a lot of AI features from Google. So, in order to give Galaxy users really incredible AI experience when it comes to search, Galaxy and Google have partnered up. Samsung and Google have partnered up. So what happens is that with a long press on the home button, you can circle, highlight, scribble on, or tap virtually anything on Galaxy's S24 screen to see helpful high quality search results. So for instance, let's take an example. You are in Sydney and one of your friend is standing in front of Sydney Opera House. So but you don't know what Opera House is. So even you can, without asking your friend, you can just circle that Opera House and ask it what exactly this building is or where it is, and it is going to tell you about it. So search has really become next level. Then there is a really cool suite of AI powered tools which is called as Pro Visual Engine in this phone. This transforms image capturing capabilities and maximize creative freedom in every step of the way, from setting up a shot all the way to sharing it on social media. So you don't have to, for example, if you're taking an image from far away, you don't have to worry about its quality, because this Galaxy's system is going to take care of it. And then they have other stuff like in the same editing tool like quad tele system with new 5 times optical zoom lens, which even works with 50 MP sensor to enable optical quality performance at zoom levels. And they also have something called as enhanced digital zoom, which captures clear images from far away, even zooming up to 100 times, which is amazing. And then there are a lot of other nitography capabilities which are embedded in this great phone. Now, once you have taken the photos, then you can enhance them further or edit them further with a suite and slew of this Galaxy AI editing tools, which enables you to make simple edits like object reflection, shadow eraser, recompose, and remaster the photos. And for easier and more efficient optimizations, it also has a feature called as edit suggestions, which uses AI to suggest tweaks for each photo. And to give users even more creative control and freedom, generative edit can fill in parts of an image background with generative AI. When a picture is crooked, AI can help fill in the borders. When an object needs to be slightly moved to be in perfect position, AI can help users adjust the position of subjects and generate a perfectly blended background. There are a lot of other features in terms of image editing, and I'm sure when you have it in your hand, you can play around with it. But the point of video is that all of these features and more, they have become part and parcel of Galaxy's latest phone. I'm more than sure other mobile manufacturers are going to do the same. So your phones are becoming smarter and smarter, and the smartphone is now getting intelligent. So it is not only just a smartphone now, but it is an intelligent phone too. So this is it, guys. This was just my poor man's review here, because I don't have a Galaxy S24 Ultra. But if somehow you have been able to get your hands on one, please share your thoughts, your experience. It would be great to see what do you think about these AI features. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you already are subscribed, please share it among your network, because it helps. Thank you very much.